How you doing, everybody? Chris at Dentless Touch. Today we're going to preview the new Dent Reaper Whaletails, so stay tuned. So full disclosure, John at Dent Reaper sent me a set of his new Whaletails. He didn't ask me to do this preview or even ask me to even post any information. He just randomly sends me these tools throughout the year. So I'm very grateful for that. So as I'm opening up the box, I'm just thinking, what has he created now? And it actually is a Whaletail. Now, doing some research, trying to locate the price and even the name of these tools, I actually had to give them a call. They're actually called the Dent Reaper Tiers. I don't have a price just yet for you, but let's just go over some of the differences I've seen with his new Whaletails. So on one side, it has a paddle. It's what I call it. They call it like a balloon effect. And then on the other side, he's keeping his routine with very, very sharp tools. So of course, the paddle side, I've been hearing works extremely well. It actually was a tool that came out years ago before my time, but a lot of the OG guys, 20, 25 years in, remember the Whaletails used to be this paddle flared out version, and it does have its advantages. It seems like everybody kind of switched to the actual whale's tail style, and that's what kind of propelled this version of the tool for the last 20 years. So everything is coming back to that paddle and then the sharp tool. So you got the best of both worlds with this design. Of course you will want, I don't even know if you will sell it in a non-adjustable handle, so of course you will want this in an adjustable handle so you can use it on both sides depending on where the damage is and your leverage point and all that good stuff. Now currently he makes these tools in 3 different lengths. It's a 12-inch, he has a 24-inch, and a 36. I'm hoping and praying he does something a little longer because this tool seems to be very stout and it may be my far reach roof tool when I want to finish and obviously start dents. It's perfect. Just switch the handle around and then I go back to finishing. I think that is great. It's kind of like the methodology of those hail rods that you just flip upside down and push with a blunt tool or push with a sharp tool. It just saves time. I think that's where he received his inspiration, just that dual purpose ability. Now, everyone knows if you purchase through Dent Reaper, his tools come from A1 tools. So they're like 30 years in manufacturing tools. So you don't have any issues with quality or maintenance issues or anything like that. And I'm pretty sure they follow the same warranty as A1 tools. So that's great. Also, John is a small business owner, a smaller tool manufacturer, so using that powerhouse of A1 tools. So you probably won't have to worry about availability or any of that impacts, smaller manufacturing companies. So I posted these tools on my Instagram, so if you haven't already, go ahead and give us a follow. It's just at dentlisstouch.com. Also sign up for our newsletter below because we posted pictures and my little mini review and some links, and you just get updated on the new information without ciphering through Facebook or messaging your buddy or just the text back and forth. So if you're just looking for something pretty simple, you can just check your email. We tend to just give you just relevant information on the PDR industry, and just sign up below if you want it. After using them on the test hood for literally only about 10 minutes, the only thing I can say is I wish it was just a little bit wider, maybe just as what I prefer. But it did get the job done. Pushing on that paddle side, that balloon side, does give it a unique push. You have to feel it for yourself. If you're interested in these tools, he will be at MTE. Check out the PDR Tool Time Playground. That's where you get to play with all the tools that are out right now. I think it was a great idea for them to come up with this big, giant, probably 40 by 40 space with a bunch of cars, bunch of new tools, so that way you can experience it. Because purchasing it online or even watching this video and saying, oh yeah, I need that, you really want to spend time with the tools before you make this purchase. Also, these tools are not getting any cheaper. They're $200, $300, $400 for sets. So you have to be mindful before you make those purchases and make sure that you're going to be using this tool and just get the ROI. So that's it. That's just a little preview of the Dent Reaper Tiers. And if you guys are coming to MTE, make sure you stop by and just say hello. I will be there for 2 days and I would love to see each and every one of you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.